The stream has begun. No one's here yet, obviously. That's probably the most obvious thing here. But, you can't change that. Okay, so I did some off-camera work. You will be seeing some off-camera work that I did. I finished a tower yesterday. I also did some of the texture editing. I finished the crater, and I also did some other stuff. So, yeah, I did all that, and so, yeah, so today, I'm not going to check out the chat. Just kidding, I am. So, here we go. I'm gonna put on the camera and show you stuff. Uh oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Boop. Okay. Hello. Who is this today? Hello. Okay. Let's get. So what am I working? Oh yeah. Okay, so I need to make a path for this map, and I need to make it playable. So I'm gonna create a path. Create path. And then I need to create. This is 6, right? Yeah, 6. Or path 6. Okay, so the way paths work is just how what my buddies are gonna go through. So like when the enemies go through the path, the normal paths. This is so these red lines are kind of the path. I might change that. Boop, boop. Okay, I need to make a path layer. Put that right above there. And then I need to get path 6 and place it in here. That's not what I wanted. Control Z. That's path 5. What? Ah, I gotta create another path area. Hello, Marvel Freak 2006, 2000 or 2003, 2003. Okay. Welcome back to the stream. You were here yesterday. So welcome back. That's not what I wanted to do. Boop. And so this path is just gonna work. This path, the first path that I'm gonna be creating. So the more I put it on here, the more I do stuff. That doesn't sound really cool. So I came up with a solution. Since we have 2 areas, this is going to be, I'm going to rename this to path 6. Path 6A. Because I'm going to have to create another path. So create path. This one is path 6B. Now there's only 2 maps. Well, there's technically 3 maps that have this thing, but I only have a second map that actually has a second path in it. So basically, more enemies can go through. There are different types of paths that I create. There are water paths, and then there are lava paths. Lava paths are just as what they sound like. They are just paths that allow fiery, molten core enemies to go through and murderize you. So, yeah, not the funnest to go against. Ooh. So this is going to be the longest part of this area. Not the path making, but just making sure I need to create what's known as a spawner. So I need to duplicate every single enemy in the game. That's what I have to do. I also need to create... Yeah, I will finish the map. You should... Oh, wait, hold on. I should read this comment. You should play the game once you finish this map. Yes, I will play the game. I want to write down my records for everything. So I have a notebook right by me, so I have a pencil. So whenever we get into the thing, I will I will write down what level I got to and stuff like that, so that's going to be fun. I'll also wait for people to... Hello, Dragon D Gamer! Welcome back to the stream. Okay. So, what do I want to do right now? Oh, yeah. I wanted to... So, we created these two paths. Now, we have to do duplication. The best part about this. So, towers. Hello, Brian Sadler. How you doing today? I need to create... Go here. Oh, thank you, Brian Sadler. And then we need to create object. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Control Z. Control Z that. Delete that. Delete that. Okay. Duplicate. It's create this enemy 1 MA because this is just what I need. So path 0. This is path 6A, right? Yeah, that would be 6A because we just created that cool path. And then we need to create another. I need to duplicate this one, open this guy up, and change it to B. So basically what this is for the path. B. It's basically just because we have certain things in the game, I need to make sure that all of them kind of stick the same. So basically this tells them what path to follow. So basically what we put in here, if I go to paths, so all of these right here are just what the enemies follow in each different map, and I label them by their numbers and stuff like that. So now that we can go back to duplicating, I will read comments or the chat if anybody wants to chat today, because this is going to take a while. So this is enemy 2 MA, and this is enemy 2 MB. So create, then we need to make this path 6A, and so on and so forth. And this one would be 6B. Let's see how many people are watching right now. 5. Hello, everyone. And then we need to duplicate even more enemies, so this is going to take absolutely forever. So duplicate, and then I want to duplicate this one. So what do we want to do? F. Wait, it's M. A. This is MA. Let's create this one MA, and then this is path 6A. So the reason why it has an A is because F is for the forest map. I will be doing these. I will be playing all the maps and showing what to do on the maps and what I call the meta spots. Path 6B. I typed it in wrong. So yeah. So we got those guys done, right? That's gonna be confusing. MB. How did you set up the live stream? Dragon Gamer asks. So I just set up. So I'm using a program. It's called. What is it called? OBS. So this is what it looks like right now. So it's gonna look weird because it's just showing you the screen. It's showing you what I see. I can also change it to scene 2. It would block out the screen. This is how I create. So in a moment you'll see, or not in a moment. For me it's delayed. You will see this picture. And that boy. So I just changed it to scene 2, and I'm gonna change it back to scene 1. That way you guys can see what I'm gonna be doing. Unless you guys want me to change it there and I can just talk, but I'm going to mainly do this. Okay, so we got these guys done. I should tell you what these enemies are. Because some of them aren't in the game, or in certain levels. So, the first enemy I'm going to be talking about is the blue slimes. Actually, I need to come up with good names for them, because I came up with really weird names for them a while ago. Uh-oh. Okay, this is something that happens. So I'm going to close that. Okay. One of them is named Glorp. Glorp is the first enemy you encounter in the game. Each level has one Glorp. Make a new enemy. Yeah, I will be making a new enemy. Okay, so this is just something... Oh, I know what I need to do. So, right now, our thing is lagging out a bit. So, resources, and then Windows, and close all. So, whoa, that was laggy. So, we got Glorp. This is the blue guy. We got, subs. Not like subscribers, but just, I don't know, Slime and Cube created subbed. I don't know why I named him subs, but that's the purple cube. He is, he too is a slime. Then we got Eyesore. He's just a walking eye. He's the third enemy you encounter. He's pretty tough. Enemy 4 is Tap. He's the water guy that you encounter in the desert level and the waterfall level. So, you got those guys. You got, enemy 5, which is, Betsy, the tank. So Betsy the tank has a little bit of a blush. I actually added in a tiny bit blush on her. So you can see, it's very hard to see, but she has a blush. So Betsy the tank is very slow. She does not do much damage. She's very tanky. We got Flam. Flam is just a flame guy. He's the only appears in Volcanic. We got enemy 7, which is Nice. Nice is a nice cube, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all you need to know. So we just finished up all the enemies we need. So I just finished up Betsy, these guys, all of them, and now we need to do probably something that's really, really you don't really care about. Duplicate. This is the spawner. Basically tells me that it tells me what is in the game, and it just says like, oh, you get this many coins and stuff like that. So you may not recognize all this code and stuff like that, but this is very important. This is M. All I need to do is just add M's to these things, because just like Forest, the moon is just very similar to Forest because of the enemy progression that I made. So all these blocks of codes is just a bunch of stuff. So yeah, so we just did that, and so this is an object. Objects can be placed in the world, so I just need to put that in instances. So there we go. Now our enemies will spawn in progressively. Now we can't actually get into the map, and I do want to make sure that moon is in here. No. So I need to do more things in order to finish the map. The first thing I need to do is go to our menu. We need to go to our menu area, which would be in menu. Duh. Go to map. I would go to, where would I go to? Press enter key. So this is what, if you press like enter, this is just what happens. So I'm just gonna create case 6. This is where all the stuff happens. Audio. Oh, underscore play. Underscore play. And then play sound. Now, this is where all the magic happens. Moon. 100. True. So, basically what I just did, this is the name of the thing. This is, you know, the priority. This is, how do I explain priority? If you have other things in the game running, like other noises, it'll be blocked out by this one. So this is the highest. And true, which is the loop. If it, just telling it to loop and stuff like that. And then we need to make sure that we stop all the other noises in the background. So, you know, the menu, sound, we need to make sure that that stops as well. Menu, and then we need to make it prior. Do we need a priority? No, it's just that. So we did that, and now we need to go to room, go to, and then our moon. And this is what we were just working on. Now, I'm not entirely sure what break does. I'm sure it just helps it from making errors. So we just got all that done. Now, before we get it finished, we need to create a sound. This will be ost underscore moon. Okay, there we go. Now I need to search this on my thing. So if I go to downloads, where is it? Ost moon. Boop, boop. Okay, so let's listen to it. So that's what we're going to be hearing when we enter the game, because we just set that in. So now we can go into the game, and hopefully that worked. Hopefully we got all this set up. Oh no! I have not finished it yet. So what I do need is I need the character. There's just one last thing I need to do. So this right here is a character, and I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this. Oh, character. Oh, object character. Underscore not underscore, let's give it, can you send me the update after the game, after this vid? Yeah, I will send you the update, Marvel Freak, because he's a beta tester. If you guys, I don't want to ask for your emails for any spam, you know how that works. Yeah. But yeah, I will send you that Marvel Freak 2003. So I will send you that after this update. What shall I call this? Non-life spawner. So I just need to make sure that this doesn't HP equals 10. So I just need to delete delete event. I just need to destroy, delete event, and delete event. That way it doesn't override anything. With other instance destroy. Okay, there we go. So we just created that object. This helps make sure that everything gets, that I don't mess up with anything. And where would that be? Oh, it would be here. Okay, there we go. So we just created that, and we're done. That's the map. We just finished it. Call it the blob. Okay. Which one? Oh, glorp. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna run it. Hopefully this worked. If it did, we're gonna see how it worked. Okay, let's get into the thing. So moon, we're gonna go here. It it works. Oh my gosh, it works perfectly. Boop. Boop. Okay. So I made it so you can't... Oh my gosh, that's really loud. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, that's really loud compared to my voice. So, there we go. Okay. Uh-oh. Fatal 1 was MA. Okay, we just had a bit of a problem. I want to see that again. So it happened here with this one, right? So I'm gonna check everything. So this is just what happens when you make an error in a game. You just gotta test it out again and see what happened wrong. So it just continues to spawn. Okay, I know what happened there. And then we're just going to finish this little part out. So if we go to enemies and we go to spawner, so we go to M, I missed something. It's alarm 1, right? Okay, yeah, it's here. So M, if MA, if instance MA equals 0, then, yeah, okay, there we go. Okay, I just finished that problem. The other problem was, there was another problem that I had. It was with this object right here. So we need to make sure that oh! Okay, I know what happened. Okay. So OC create global dot life HP equals 10. So whoops. Okay, so there we go. There we go. So then I have to make it global dot life HP equals minus equals 1. Okay, so we just fixed all the problems. So we're gonna play. I got my notebook right me. I have so I will be making records for all this stuff. I remember. So let's go into the game and let's see how much we got going for us. So I might be boop boop. What? Action failure number 1. If HP doesn't equal 0, instance destroy. Huh? Abort. Oh, okay. So this is another thing that I need to make sure that I... So there's so many things that you gotta take in consideration. Global.hp life global dot. So the reason why I'm not changing it to just global.hp, and I should probably explain what I'm doing here. So basically, there are things called variables. Variables can be set to anything you want, and if you can make it so you basically make a command with these things. Like if for an example, if you want something not to be 1, and they get hit by something, then it gets destroyed, because HP isn't actually, life plus string, not set before. What are you talking about? Abort. Life.hp, room, go to life.hp, enemy. Oh, life.hp, oh, global.life HP. Okay, so you can't, if I did it for global.hp, it would mess up with the enemy's stuff, which would be very, very annoying to do. So let's start off with planes. Ah, shoot. Oh yeah, I forgot. I was testing out a new tower. This is what happens when you have to do a bunch of stuff. So I gotta go to enemy spawners and planes. Okay, there we go. Now we can finally do stuff. Oh my gosh, that took forever to do. So now, let's get into it. So, boop and boop. These are the two spots that I love to use. Because technically they're going against 4 towers. So we'll just play the rating game while I let you guys just tell me stuff. That's gonna be nice. Oh, so I will send you the copy of the stuff while this is completely going. I do want to explain something. So I'm wanting to make the next map, which I will be probably doing another stream. But you know, you never know. So yeah, this is coming out good. So we have all this happening, and our towers. So I will be making another tower, and I will explaining what each tower does in the game. There is the Tesla Tower, pretty obvious. It's the first one. It just shoots balls at the enemy. And it's just your basic everyday enemy that you have to face, or basic everyday tower. The next one is the flamethrower. The flamethrower is a high damaging, close range tower. Basically, you just shoot them. Yeah, I'll be playing more Phantom Forces soon. I actually recorded a video of Phantom Forces that I want to upload soon. So that's gonna be fun. The next tower is the Satellite Sniper. The Satellite Sniper, which I love that name, is just what it is, a sniper rifle. Or a sniper. And it will shoot enemies from far away that attack it. Or that it can attack. It's in its range. The next one is the... Whoa. Okay, which one do I want? I want this guy. Okay, so yeah, the Satellite Sniper, and then we got the Fortune Ball. The Fortune Ball just gives you more cash the longer it's placed. So it's not an attacking tower. It's just shoot. Nah, I'm gonna die here. No, I won't. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna place this guy down, and I'm gonna need this one. The next guy is the RoboCactus. RoboCactus just does more damage than the other towers, and it has more range than the stuff. Put down the cactus. Yeah, I have 2 RoboCactuses right here. The next one is the Dead Ice, or the Dead Nice. It's just a slowing down mechanic, so it's just kind of like the if you ever played Plants vs Zombies, it's just the Ice Pea. Then we got the Hex Tower. The Hex Tower, so that little line, there, if anything is being hit by that line, it takes damage, and it can kill pretty fast. So I'm going to place down a Fortune Ball, and as you can see, that number's about to grow. I'm also going to want some more Dead Nices and some Flamethrowers, because Flamethrowers are super handy. They do so much damage. Okay, there's Betsy. Oh boy. Yeah, it gets pretty... I'm gonna have to see... What wave was that one? That was wave... dang it, hold on. I need to see what wave that was. That was wave 10. Yeah, that was wave 10, so... 10 on planes. 10. Or, yeah, 10 planes. Okay. Next. We're going into the desert. I just need to set some stuff up real quick. Okay. So desert is a hard one because of the tap I just explained about. Whoa. So let's go into desert. So boop. Boop. So let's just place those there. I don't know why I placed them there together. That's not the best spot at all. It's actually pretty bad. I'm used to doing that, just clumping stuff together in other games. That's actually really bad spotting. I mean, it's getting them done. It's getting the job done. But I'm probably gonna lose here. Come on, get him, get him, get him! Ah! Okay, I'm gonna lose 2 lives already. I haven't played this game in a long time, so... Oh, boy. I also gotta watch out for this area right here. So, Tap, he comes down here, he goes down here, and then he takes a little detour. A shortcut. Boop. Boop. And then... Okay, and then we want to place one... I want to place one here. There we go. So, yeah. We're getting some people done. We're still at level 4. So, my buddy... Uh-oh, what? What the... Why is there a mage maker right there? I haven't even explained what this tower is. What? I'm dead. That was wave... What wave was that one? Wave 4. Ah. Oh boy. Yeah, make an entrance at the end. What do you mean by entrance? So wave 4 on desert. Darn it. I don't know. Make an entrance at the end. Yeah. Hold on. I need to fix something. So make an entrance at the end. I don't entirely know what that means. To be honest, sorry, but I just... Oh, it's in rooms. Like a closing screen. Where'd the bad guys go? Oh! Makes sense. Okay. Oh, my microphone. Okay, there we go. That might be a little better to hear. So, in desert, yeah, this guy... Nope. Control V. Control C. What? No! What did that... Control Z. Okay, there we go. So this guy is Tower 8. No, I don't want that to happen. So the Mage Maker poisons, is it like a poison tower? So it basically poisons, anybody that gets hit by it. So it does damage over time. That's not the room I wanted to go to. Our forest, is this also? Yeah, that's Tower 8. I'm gonna get that out of there. Then place that there. You want the Mage Maker Tower? Yeah, it's pretty cool. It looks like an it looks like an enchantment table. It definitely does. Even though that's not even a... I just realized that it could sound like someone put that in the chat. No, no one did that. Show us what it does. Oh my gosh. So I will show you in a second. I just need to make sure that everything in this dang game doesn't break on me. Okay, there we go. Instances. Tower 8. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. Oh, wanted to go to... Did I just place it again on here? Ah, you... Oh my gosh. Okay, that one's good. What? Why was towers open? I thought I opened towers clicked. Ah. Okay. Okay, boop. Boop. Okay, the next thing I want to open up is waterfall. And then this one is... There we go. And then moon should have I'm gonna have to move that out of the way. Boop. That's towers clicked. Okay. So, there we go. We got everything mixed up. Now we have it back to normal. So that also means I have to exit this. Whoops. I'm gonna exit that and then play it again. Now we go into forest. Now this is a toughie. This is a really big toughie, so I want... nuts. Here. And then the other one here. Oh, this is probably the hardest level in the game. I'm a little stressed out just playing it. I just hit my mic. Okay, so we have... Yes! Okay. Oh, come on. I gotta work on that. So I did some off-camera work. I fixed some of the stuff in planes. That's gonna be a little annoying. So wave 2. So I'm gonna just try and save it for Mage Maker. Do 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 do. Okay. Let's add in this guy here. Because we're getting to wave 4, which is wave 4 and I think wave 7 are the hardest to go against because they both introduced eyesore and what's its name? I don't know. What is it called? What is it called? Subs. Got it. Because he's a slime cube, and yeah. Anyways, so we're almost got that. No! Target him! Target him! Oh. Okay, this hard level has a super hard. Oh no! No! Come on! Wave 4. That's how tough wave 4 is. And Forest is such a hard map. So 4. Forest. I gotta practice more on that level. Okay, Snow. I really like this one. Boop. This is probably one of the easiest maps, actually. So I'm probably gonna get pretty far in this one. Oh yeah, I completely forgot I had another 15. I'm gonna just see if I can get towards a Mage Maker. No. Okay, after I get my high score, I'm going to work on what is it called? I forgot what it's called. Mage Maker and planes, and then I'll show you how powerful it is. It's very, 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 very powerful. It does like 5 damage, so bam. Okay, sweet. So now we can place this one for the next wave. So, oh, here they come. We're almost to wave 5 or 4. I think I'm gonna get pretty far on this one, so I'm just gonna wait for you guys. Oh my gosh. I just got a bunch of Hangouts messages. So what do I want to do? So let's kind of just talk about the plan here. I want to create some more stuff for the thing. I want to make an enemy, if we can today, because we finished Moon. That was pretty easy. Let's make an enemy today, and then let's make, we'll make, what is it called? Okay. My phone's buzzing. It's see what you guys are talking about. So basically, I want to create a new enemy. That's going to be fun. I'm going to talk about what that enemy is going to be, because I have an idea for it. I am also going to make a tower, so we're just going to make the textures for that. And then, we're almost, what should I get? Robocop, or Robocactus is a good one for this. Oh boy, here they all come. They're all starting to head in at the same time. Oh boy. I mean, this is a fairly easy level, so I'm not expecting to lose. I shouldn't, like, so this guy has a large range. Look at that range. He also has that little arrow thing, but he shoots a really fast projectile. Let's get this guy. Oh, shoot. I need some dead nice on this level. That'll be handy. I also implemented nice into this level, so that'll be here's not. Whoa! Oh no, I know what happened. Okay. I know what happened there. So we're just gonna have to deal with that. It's also gonna be super annoying because he's kind of a body blocker for everything. So what's going on there? I'm just gonna put down a mage maker. So what's happening there is the nice. There's a place where I make sure that all of their textures, where they spawn in and how they do a bunch of stuff and like all that. The problem is the nice are being targeted from the top, the middle, the little corner of them. Everybody else is spawned through the little center, the middle center of them. So that is a problem. I just dropped my cube. Okay, let's just put some nice down. Let's put some poisonous guys down. Oh boy, they're starting to leak through. Oh no, 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 no. I'm just frantically placing them down. Ah, that was, what wave was that? I'm currently watching right now. That was wave 10, wasn't it? Yeah, that was wave 10. Okay, so that was wave 10 on, so that's wave 10 on Snowy. Darn it, I need to make a pause button. So yeah, those are other things that I want to work on. So that was wave 10 on Snowy. So Snowy, boom, boom, boop, 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 volcanic. Now this one, it's a toughie. The reason is because it's so. What does the purple one do? The purple one just has more HP. It's just like leveling more enemies up together. I'm gonna make some more different enemies. I also want to make sure. There was something that I wanted to do. Enemy 7. Does enemy 7 get affected by this? Yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't get affected. So. Let me explain what this is. So this is the snowball. This is what freezes them. I think I made nice invulnerable to freezing. So let's go into volcanic. Oh boy. Here. This is like a really tough level. This is my favorite song I did. I think I might. I really like the volcano. That's a volcano, by the way. I know that doesn't really look like a volcano, but what the? I just realized something. No! Yeah, this level gets really annoying to play against. Okay, so let's wait for these blue glorps to be destroyed. You're gonna be blown to smithereens by this little Tesla tower. Just do it, Tesla. Yeah. Okay. Boop. 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 Okay, let's wait for these guys to get through. Come on, yeah. Just need one more. I don't want to die on wave 4. Come on! Give it to me. Give it to me. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Attack the top ones! No! Is that... Come on, come on, come on. That was wave 4. Oh. Okay, I found a problem. So that's good to know for V. Hold on, let me fix that real quick. It's on character destroy. Menu go to menu. Oh yeah, I gotta stop the audio for 2 of them. So Control V. So what I want to do here is ost moon, and then this will be ost V ost or inferno. That's what I put it as, but I don't do that. I gotta make sure that everything is good. Okay. Now that we did all that stuff, I haven't practiced with Moon a lot. And as obviously you can see that this game is duff. So let's do Moon as the last game. Oh yeah, I gotta go in 5 minutes. Okay. Oh, you're right. Okay, the stream... So we're almost done with the stream here. I know this was a short one, but I will also be doing off-camera work. So I will be making sure that you can place stuff inside of the crater. Like it's a little cavern arch. So yeah, these guys are pretty tough. And I'm really glad that I added that little kind of like... It looks satisfying now. I didn't actually play this level when... I couldn't play this level. Come on! So I need to make sure that these guys don't get through. So they go in a path like this, up here, and then these guys go down in a path like this, like what I made in the beginning of this stream. So, So yeah, this is gonna be super cool to... Now I love the little guys. There's ant. There's some ant guys. Chair. Another chair. There's the player. He's really tiny. These guys are actually pretty big compared to the player. Oh no. Not wave 4 again. Oh, come on. You can do it. Just destroy them. No. Okay, so we failed on that. Let's just... Okay, there we go. So we got 348. So it's 348. Let's just spend the last 10 minutes just working on the next character. So as you can obviously see that this game is hard. So let's create a new sprite. So let's make the next enemy. Let's do that. I haven't made an enemy in a while. So let's close all that, and let's go to sprites, textures, texture enemy, create sprite. This is going to be enemy 8. Let's make a flying enemy. Now you're probably wondering, oh, what? A flying enemy? What? How are you gonna do that? Well, you'll just see. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay, so it's gonna be 32 by 32, 32 by 32. What this is going to be is, let's make sure that I have it on here in my notebook, the notey book. Just remind myself what I'm doing. Okay, it's a RoboBat. So let's create. So it's going to be made out of steel with some fire coming out of it. So this is. Wait, I want to make sure. I want it to be dead center. So let's work on this, guys, while I make the textures. So boop 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 boop. Where do I want it to be? This little texture divot here, and then 3, 3, 3 by 3. This is gonna be Rocketeer the Bat, and I'm just kind of making what I want from it. It's gonna be kind of a tiny enemy. Nah, let's make it like that. Boop 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 boop, and then 3, right? 1 2 3, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3, and then boop 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 boop. So there we go. And then I also want to create a small. Let's make it so it's a little more like. So this is kind of like the thrusting area where the booster area where all the flame is going to come out of, because he's going to have like a little bit of a flame out of him. There we go. So there we go. Let's create kind of a red eye in the middle. Because why not? A red eye in the middle. Wait, no, that's not dark enough. Boop, boop. And then let's make this the same color. So this is just the eye of the guy. And let's start working on the little textures inside. So I'm just going to do this easily. Just fill it up. It's kind of boring, but then I'm going to make it darker because we did the shade it. Shading is important. So shading is important to me. So that's not what I wanted. No. So then I want to get the original kind of dark area like that. So it makes sense to be there. So this just makes it more easier to see it. See the little, the shaded areas. So let's get it like that. And inside, let's make it a little more brighter because we want it to be a little shiny, huh? Let's make it shiny. So around here is where it starts to get shiny. So let's do that because it starts to get bigger, and we want to show that it show like a shading trick here. So let's do the exact same thing. Boop 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 boop. Okay, there we go. And then let's add kind of a little shine there. And now we can just fill this up with an even brighter color. Boop. Oh, that's the same. That's the same color. Let's just make it white. There we go. So we got our little RoboBat. So what I want to do is copy, paste, paste, copy, paste. So let's make three spaces. And let's add a layer to each frame. So so now that we have that, this is for the animated textures, but I'm gonna go here for now. So is that on each one? So I want to get this entire little frame area and just move it up one. There we go. So this is on this one, and then we want to make sure that this one is up one too. I would also like it if you guys could tell me what you want to see me live stream, because I'm down to live stream anything that you guys want. I'm down to Overwatch, I'm down to Minecraft, I'm down to anything, really. So, let's make it kind of, you know how, like a little bit of a pink on each end of these for... Whoops, I want it on this other layer. Deet, 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 deet. Okay, and this one I also want it to be here. So, yeah. So it's just like the normal. This is like, this texture isn't going to change, this little pinkness, but the thing connecting, that's going to be connected to the pinkness is going to change. So, we got all that done. So, now let's get some actual red, and let's just start to flame it up, huh? Just create kind of a bulk area, and then let's make it so this one as kind of a bulk area. Now, like, flames get like really bulky at a certain area, and then they slowly die out. Well, this is what we want. And then, and I want to copy, right? I want to, Control C. Does this work? Control V. Oh, well, that just does that. Okay, so for this one, yeah, I have to do it individually. Let's make it, since we have more room to work with, let's make it a little more bulk, like just randomly bulk. Just kind of add that little nick there, and for this one, let's just kind of make it smaller. So we just, like it's changing velocities every single time, or something like that. I don't know how flames work. Just kidding. Anyways, and this one just kind of gets more straight. So, and then let's make this one, since we're going back into the small area, kind of, shorten this one, because we just realized that, oh no, the robot is just like, oh no, I just did that. And then let's make that one like a weird bulk shape. And then this, we can bulk it a little bit. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boop. Okay, there we go. And the last one, before we start shading that fire up, is this one. Now, this one is still pretty small, and let's just make it kind of that right there. And then make this one kind of bulk out a little bit. Oh no, this one, just bulk out a little bit. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we're almost done with the stream. So once we get this text down, I'm gonna end it, and it's gonna be on record. So yeah, that's gonna be fun when this happens. So let's, okay. Want it a little more darker. There we go. That's a better dark color. And just make it seem like it's real fire. There we go. And just add it in the middle area so it's more visible. And then let's add it in here. Just everything that isn't the edge, so including the middle area. Did I do it for this one? No, I didn't. And then boop, 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 boop. And then there we go. Boop, 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 boop. And then boop. And then this one will be doot, 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 doot. Oh, I didn't even do the middle part there. Whoops. I'll do that little, or the middle flame right now. Oh, that's just the... It's just the same flame. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that. And then, anyways, let's add this last flame area right here. And then I'll end the stream. Because it's nearly done. And I'll tell you, sponsorships. No, I'm not sponsored. I wish I was. Until I am, or not, am. Okay, there we go. So we just created this RoboBat. So let's decrease the speed to, I want to say 6, and let's play it. So that's what it will look like when we add it into the game. Let's increase it by 7. That looks better. That looks like it's actually fast and acting. So we did it. Next stream, I'll be adding a little bit more in the middle and stuff like that. So let's kind of just take it to there. Oh, yay. That was really fun, guys. So, until next time, I guess we will see each other again. So this is going to be the end of the stream right now. I hope you guys really liked it. So, yeah. I'm going to leave the stream running a little bit so you guys can leave. Nothing's going to happen at this point. So, you guys can leave now. I'll see you tomorrow. The stream will be active at 2:45. That means 2:45 p.m. That's when the stream tomorrow will begin. I know that's a confusing time, but that's best for Saturday because I know people aren't in school and stuff like that. Anyways, guys, I will see you all later, and goodbye. That was really fun.